Hello guys, good morning. Dito sa ating garden, meron talaga tayong mga plants that we feel attached to, especially kapag nakita natin at na-witness natin yung kanyang pag-develop from small plants until na naging malaki na sila at gumanda ng gumanda for the longest time. At isa sa mga plants na talagang naging malapit na sa akin guys ay yung ating variegated tortum. And ito na siya ngayon guys. Actually, nagkaroon tayo ng live selling during the weekend. And nabenta po natin ito. Actually, it was a bittersweet na experience guys kasi I really witness kung paano ito lumaki guys just from very small leaves natin dito at makikita natin yan dito guys kung gaano pa siya kaliit nag-start. So we only have I think around 2 or 3 leaves na ganito pa lang na size. And mind you guys yung ating variegated tortum is actually one of the slowest growing philodendrons you can ever see, as in talaga guys. May mga times na hindi niya kayang mag-produce ng dahon in 1 month. So gaano ba katagal bago natin na-achieve yung ganitong size na ng ating tortum? So starting from 3 small leaves natin guys, it took us around 7 to 8 months para maging ganito na siya kalash, kalaki at kaganda yung ating variegated tortum. So we just started with very small pot lang guys, similar na size lang nitong ating FBX ng Aritense. Until eventually and gradually nag-increase tayo ng ating pot size, nag-upsize tayo, and we introduced a pole kung saan andito na yung ating mga aerial roots guys at naka-activate na sila dito. At isa talaga sa mga not so hidden secrets guys, paano ma-achieve yung ating mga trailing plants sa ganito na kalalaki, ay ang pag-introduce ng ating mga poles. So I think that's a no-brainer guys. That's a very big help talaga para sa ating mga trailing na mga philodendrons. And for this one, you can already see here guys, ang laki ng size ng ating tortum. So for this one, most probably this is more than 1 foot na po, mga nasa mga 15 inches na siguro yung leaf size natin dito ng ating tortum. And for this variegated tortum natin guys na talagang love na love ko, na appreciate ko talaga yung kanyang beauty kasi kakaiba din yung kanyang kulay na binibigay. So most of the tortums that we see just produces yung mga medyo oria and then may pagka-cream na color. And for this one, para siyang nagmumulticolor with the orange and the color pink natin. And doon talaga ako namangha sa kanyang size guys. So we're also doing this video para at least meron tayong memorabilia with our variegated tortum. And actually guys, sa market naman ngayon, meron namang mga maraming pots available ng tortum, but seldom do we see na ganito na siya kalaki. And by the way, ito na-sold na ito sa ating recently concluded na live selling for a mere price of 45,000 pesos. So it's okay with me kasi andito naman tayo guys, meron na tayo ditong nakapila na next na variegated tortum. So currently meron pa siyang mga 4 leaves, and then we started with a small pot, but as early as now guys, nag-introduce na tayo dito ng pole para mas maging mabilis yung pag-develop ng ating next pot na tortum. So that's it guys, and I hope to see you again soon on our upcoming videos.